All right, here's some functional notation questions where they say, what is the value, or they say, here is a function, f of x is x over x plus 2. So it's a pattern that follows, or something you can see that follows this pattern. And then they say, okay, specifically, what is it when f is 2? So say we're doing the f of x is equal to x over x plus 2. And I want to know when when x is 2. So then what I do is I'm plugging in for x, so I plug a 2 in everywhere there's an x. So it'll be 2 over 4 or 1/2. So plugging numbers in, that's basically that one. Now, in the next question, there's this one, but they're not just plugging numbers in, they're plugging other kind of functions in. So let me show you the first one. So let's do q of t. So a function called q with respect to t is equal to this. And then they say, let's pick, I don't know, let's pick this one. So they want to know when, and really I'm plugging in a t here. No, I'm plugging in x minus 1 wherever there's an x. I guess this is q of t. That's sort of confusing me. Anyway, what I'm wanting to do is plug this x minus 1 wherever there's a t. So I want to know what the... Oh, no, that's not right. Because the question is asking f of x minus 1. So I've got to use this function here, f. So functions are labeled with letters, so we're looking at the function f, and we're substituting in x minus 1. Okay, so f of x is equal to x over x plus 2, and so f of x minus 1 is, here's an x, I'm putting it in an x minus 1, over, there's an x, I'm putting in an x minus 1. Okay, to simplify, I get x minus 1 over, I can simplify this time, that'll be x plus 1. And that'll be what f of x minus 1 is. Notice you don't get a number or anything with it. It'd be nice to try one of those other ones, but all they have are f's here. So all of these ones, we're plugging in just for that function. But let's try, let's do a q one. So say let's figure what q of, let's say t plus 1 is. Okay, so here's q, so it's a square root of 2 times, okay, instead of the t, I'm plugging in a t plus 1. So 2 times t plus 1 minus 3. So square root of, I have to FOIL that out or distribute that, so that'll be 2t plus 2 minus 3. And then 2t and 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So q of t plus 1 is equal to that. Okay, hopefully that gives you a little bit of help there.